Hello, Cook of Soak is here with an extreme peanut butter cookie recipe that only genuine peanut butter lovers will appreciate. To achieve a true peanut butter overload, we will not only use peanut butter, but peanut butter baking chips and peanuts. Meet me in the kitchen and let's bake some thick, bakery-style peanut butter cookies. We'll start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. In a large bowl, we'll cream 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter. When the butter is light and fluffy, we'll add half a cup of granulated sugar and 1.5 cups of light brown sugar. When the butter and sugars are mixed, add in 1.5 cups of smooth peanut butter. Use your favorite brand. I am using Skippy. Let's add the remainder of our wet ingredients, which are 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Time to add our dry ingredients. We'll start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix those into the wet ingredients before adding the flour. Once the salt and baking soda are mixed, we'll add in 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll mix until the dough just comes together, being careful not to overmix. Lastly, we'll stir in 1 2/3 cups or 1 package of Reese's peanut butter chips and 1.5 cups of chopped peanuts. If you don't like the crunch of peanuts, don't add them. This recipe makes 12 to 16 cookies. It all depends on how big you want them. Grab a good handful of dough and roll it into a ball. Flatten the ball into a thick disc and place the cookies on a cookie sheet at least 4 inches apart. Bake the cookies for 20 to 25 minutes until the bottoms start to become a light golden brown and the cookies are no longer glossy in the center. Cool the cookies for 15 minutes and then remove them from the cookie sheet to finish cooling on a rack. That is my super fantastic and amazing recipe for thick, bakery-style peanut butter cookies. The ultimate trifecta of flavor, thanks to peanut butter baking chips, and peanuts. Let me know if you love peanut butter too, and where you had the best peanut butter cookies. For news about upcoming cooking videos, follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.